In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of being unable to import media in Microsoft Clipchamp. If you're experiencing this problem, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive into it. First, if you find yourself unable to import media directly in the Clipchamp browser, there's a practical workaround that we'll explore today. The key is to use the desktop version to overcome this hurdle efficiently. So let's go ahead and tackle this together. Begin by navigating to your desktop library. This serves as your centralized hub for all your local files on your computer, making it straightforward to locate the media files you need. Take a moment to ensure that your files are there and ready for the next steps. Once you've confirmed the location of the files you want to upload, it's time to select them. You can do this by clicking on the specific files you're intending to work with in Clipchamp. If you have multiple files, remember that you can hold down the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple items at once. This can save you time, especially if you have several media files to import. After selecting your files, go ahead and right-click on your mouse. This will bring up a context menu with several options. You'll want to find and select the option that says Open With. This choice might appear slightly different depending on your operating system, but it should be evident and easily accessible in the menu that appears. Next, you'll see a list of available applications you can use to open your files. Here, you'll need to choose Clipchamp. Selecting Clipchamp ensures that the application directly handles the import process, helping sidestep any browser-induced limitations you might be encountering. This path provides a more streamlined and sometimes more reliable file handling experience. Now, with Clipchamp selected, simply wait for the file to upload. The duration can depend on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection, so patience is key here. Keep an eye on any progress bars or notifications that might appear in Clipchamp, as they'll give you feedback on the upload process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively managed to import your media into Microsoft Clipchamp despite initial challenges. This method should help you continue your creative projects without unnecessary interruptions. Remember, technical issues can be frustrating, but with the right approach, they can be resolved smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.